Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, I am also fine, children. Say hi. Hi, children. Sairam, teacher. Say Sairam, children. Tap your head. Tap, tap. Clap your head. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Move your finger. And move yourself also. Move. 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 Slowly, slowly bring your hands down. Keep it down. Now fold your hands. Close your eyes. Slowly open. Relax. Pray to God. Sit erect. Yes. Oh, hello. Children, see, these are, yes, children, you all love to play with toys. Do you know they all are friends? Please identify them. Minnie Mouse, elephant, Mickey Mouse, dog. Yes, it's a Bruno doggy. Children, today they have gathered here for a party. Yes, party, children. They are having fun. Now see properly who all are there here sitting and having fun. Children, now look who all are sitting here and having fun. Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse and Bruno Doggy. Children, here only 3 friends are sitting. How many friends were there total? Just imagine. 1, 2, 3. Who is missing from here? Yes. Oh, where is the elephant? Where is gone? Oh. Ting, 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 ting. Yes. Is this the elephant? So, what was missing? Elephant was missing. So, now are all the friends together? Yes. This was the game we were playing. Children, see. When you go to school, what do you carry? A tiffin box, a pouch, a notebook and a water bottle. Yes? Are these things correct? You carry to the school? Good, exactly. Now look here, children. Tiffin box, pouch, a water bottle. Yes? All the objects are placed correctly. Now you all are going to carry this. I don't think so. Yes, anything is missing or what in this? Tiffin box, pouch, water bottle. You are going to carry only these 3 things, children. What do you require more to school? Do you require anything? Right. Children, your notebook. Your notebook was missing. This was missing. You require the notebook also. Now all the objects are placed properly and these are the things which you carry to school. Children, what was that? We played a game. What was that game about? Things were kept. But again the one thing was missing. Then what happened? That object was found again. So the objects were completed. Friends had a party. One friend was missing. When he came back, the party was done. All the friends were together. So after playing game, this was about, missing. Now look here, children, at the picture. What have I brought for you? Yes, it's a monkey. But children, monkey is having 2 ears, 2 eyes, legs, hands. What is missing in this? Think. Yes, monkey's tail. Where is it? We have to search monkey's tail. This is monkey's tail. So, what was missing? Monkey's tail was missing. Now children, look at this picture. This is a house. A house has one, yes, door, window. Then what is missing in this? Yes, where is the roof? Roof of the house is missing. What is missing in this? Roof of the house. And in the first picture, tail of a monkey was missing. So today we are going to learn missing numbers. Which missing numbers, children? Now you understood. Now look here, children. This is a train. Yes, this is engine. Now can you say the numbers with me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we said the numbers from 0 to 10. We said the numbers from 0 to 10. Now let us say the numbers after 10. Yes, you know what comes after 10. 11. So please say the numbers along with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and there it is 20. So we said the numbers from 0 to 20. Now look here, children. Now you all are aware of the numbers. Everyone knows the numbers. So you are going to help me out. The first number your teacher will write. Now here comes 0. Next to 0 is which number? 1. Then next to 1 is number 2. Then after number 2, which number comes? Come on, think. Yes, it's 3. So, did I write the correct number? Now, next to number 3 will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. So, this is number 4. Number 4 was missing. Number 3 was missing. Number 0 was missing. And the last number is number 5. So can I say now my numbers are in order? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now all the numbers are in order. Like friends who had the party in the game. Now, look here, children. What are these? Yes, it looks like an apple. Yes, there are so many apples I can say. But in those apples, the numbers are written. So, which is the first number, children? This is 6. So, shall we count the numbers once again? Count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here comes 7. Number 7 is missing in this. So your teacher wrote number 7. Next to number 7 comes, oh yes, number 8 is also missing. So the next number is number 9. Now let us count the numbers again. 6, 7, 8, 9, and here will be, yes, number 10. So are the numbers in order? Yes, we got the numbers from 0 to 10. Now, yes, these are so many Snow White. Yes, children, and they have a particular number. Which is the first number written here? It's 11. So next to 11 will be, think, 11, 12. Correct. So I am going to write here number 12. So 11, 12, 13, and next number is, you are right children, it's 14. And the last number is 15. So we have the numbers in order: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now the continuous numbers. Yes, next to 15 will be 16. Here it is. Then 17. Very good. Then yes, it is 18. Next to 18, 19. Now here, which is the number missing? The number 20 is missing. Now let us say the number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So are the numbers filled? Is there any number missing? No. Teddy bears are looking so sweet. 5 teddy bears are carrying the numbers. Now look here children. After learning the numbers, now you know the missing numbers how to fill. For that we have to say the numbers. Who is standing here? He is a postman, and postman has to reach to the post. He has to collect the letters. Correct? Now here number 2 is already written. Teacher will write here number 1. Can you say the numbers along with me? Can you help the postman to reach to the post? Yes. 1, 2, then here is 4 number children. Which is the missing number in this? Yes teacher, number 3 is missing. So let us say the numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again the number is vanished. No number teacher. Next number is 6. So which is the missing number here? 4. There you are. It's number 5. Then 6. Then next will be, yes, number 7 is missing. Then which is the number missing? 8. And here is number 9. So which number will be here? Think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The missing number is 10. So here number 10 will be there. Now next to 10 is 11. Then will be, yes, it will be 12 number. Then, yes teacher, it's 13 number. My children knows the numbers. Oh, can you see 3? Yes. Now next to 13 is 14. Which number is missing children? Think. Yes. 1, 5, 15. And the final number here is 16. So now say the numbers. Are the numbers properly written? Have I missed out any numbers? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you help the postman to reach the post. Yes, postman is saying thank you children. Now look here. Yes, again. So lovely toys. Now the first toy is number 16. Now can you help me out? That, yes, the box is blank. And here comes the next box. It's written 18 over there. But children, we are missing here any number. Think. Yes, this is 16. Next will be the number 17. Now, next to 17 is number 18 and the last one is 20. Do you think number should be written? Yes. Which is the number missing, children? 16, 17, 18, then? Yes, you are correct. It's number 19, children. And next to number is 19 is 20. So all the numbers are been covered. There are no numbers missing now. So have you understood the missing numbers, children? Now children, like you help the postman to reach the post, you have to help this squirrel to reach his house, because there what they eat, nuts are kept inside. So please help the squirrel to reach the house. See, the number 1 is written. Which is the next number? It's 2. Then is 3. Next number will be, yes, 4. Then 5. Then 6. After 6, 7. Here is 8. Which is the missing number here now? Yes, correct answer. It is number 9. The next number is 10. And here will be number? Thank you children for helping. 11. Then 12, 13. And the final number will be number 14. Now do you think the squirrel has reached the house? Yes, you have showed the way to the squirrel. Squirrel has reached the house. Squirrel is saying thank you children. It's activity time children now. You will have fun. Yes. What is this? Liked it? Children, you have to spot the difference here. Means look at this first picture. In this picture, there are 2 eyes, nose. Yes, see the teeth. Count the teeth. Correct. Now in this second picture, again there are 2 eyes, 1 nose. But something is missing children. You have to find out that. I don't want to help you. Only one time. You want a one-time help? Fine, I will help you one time. Now, what will come here? You have counted the teeth. Yes, what is missing? Here the teeth is there. Yes, here also will be 1 tooth. So, that is missing. Understood? You found out. Next activity you have to find out. Now, look here children. Now, here is another activity for you. You have to find out what is missing in this. I will not help you children now. Now, look at this bear. There are 2 eyes, 1 nose, and he is having something. Yes, and a stomach. In this picture, you have to see. Yes, I don't know children. You find out and you are going to say. You are going to say what is missing in this. Teacher will not draw. Teacher will not help you now. You have to say me. And by this children, I end the lesson. This was what? Yes, write the missing numbers. What was it? Write the missing numbers. So, now you have done the missing numbers. You will practice the missing numbers. You will say the numbers. Yes. Thank you children. Take care. I'll come back with new lesson.